felt like I won the lottery. Like I can't lie. I definitely can spot a good value, and Sands is definitely that. Before I was a bartender, working full time at a place not too far away from here, actually. I definitely had plans and ideas around goals and things that I wanted to accomplish. And I had some interviews, here and there, but when I finished with the SANS program, it was like I was a new kid on the block, right? Everybody kind of wanted to talk to me. So it was just different. It was a different feeling. It was a different kind of walking through the door with that certification. Just held a little bit more weight. I would definitely say it gave me a little bit of extra tenacity. In the future, I hope to make my way to a leadership position with a little bit of mixture of technical skills, right? So I could envision myself as being that person who actually done the work, but also can help others, manage and do the work. And I'm definitely confident that I'm on the right path for that to take place one day.